Right, ilang taong ka nang nasa serbisyo?
25 po.
25. Ilang taong ka na?
49 po.
49. So kung 56, 7 years to go sa mandatory,
Opo.
ay baka hindi mo naabutin yun.
Hindi naman
Baka
daw
makulong
susunod.
ka na.
Since there is no quorum yet, and while the COMSEC is trying to invite other members via Zoom to be a part of this hearing, for us to have a complete quorum to have that motion be approved, the chair would like to, yes, Congressman Ako, please.
May I know if the motion of the Honorable Paduano would carry the other 8 members of the team? Simply because a while ago, all of them stated that kung ano yung sasabihin ng kanilang team leader, sunod na rin silang lahat. So in other words, if we cite the team leader for contempt, we'll also be citing the 8 members of the team. Kasi sabi nila kung anong sasabihin ng team leader, ganun din eh.
Yes, most likely, if I be allowed by the members, let's invite Sergeant Henry Mascariña Mago, Junar Kabuyaw Cabalsa, and Reyes, yung walang hair, si Reyes also. The 3 of them, if the members will allow to invite these 3 personalities on a different room for us to talk to them first, while we are waiting for a quorum. Will that be acceptable to everybody? Chairman, there's a motion. We need a motion for that. Ay, okay. So before we go to that, so we will be accommodating first the query of Chairman Akop. Please, Congressman Akop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Sino yung pangalan ng team leader? Huwag mong sabihan yung mga tao. What is your name?
Your Honor, Police Captain Aaron Agbay Herrera, Your Honor.
Yes, Captain Herrera.
Yes po, Your Honor.
May I ask NAPOLCOM, have you approved the Manual on Anti-Illegal Drugs Operation and Investigation of the Philippine National Police?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And therefore, it is official
Yes, Your Honor.
and must be followed by the members.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. Sino nung Colonel Reyes? When Captain Herrera and his team, nung sila ay nag-operate, alam nyo po ba? Nagpaalam po ba sa inyo?
Verbally po, sir.
Ha?
Verbally, sir.
Verbally. Ano ang sabi sa'yo?
May operation sila, sir, pero nag-submit din naman, sir, sila ng sir. Nakita ko, sir, na meron sila, sir, na PDEA coordination, sir, at saka may isa pa, sir, document, sir. Nakalimutan ko lang, sir, ang tawag doon, sir. Yung parang summary of information, sir, nung yung isang subject for bypass nila, sir, si Jonathan, sir. I forgot the name, sir.
Bakit ka pumayag na verbal lahat?
Sir, may nakita naman po, sir, akong sir, na document, sir.
Alam mo naman siguro ano ang mga provision ng Manual on Anti-Illegal Drugs Operation and Investigation? O hindi mo alam? Kasi magsabi ka na ng totoo dahil nasa harapan ko eh.
Hindi ko masyadong kabisado, sir.
Yan. Kaya nga kayo nagkasabit-sabit eh. Dahil hindi nyo alam. Di ba? Tama? Kaya nga kayo nagkasabit-sabit. Dahil hindi nyo alam. Hindi ba yun ang tama? O ayaw mo sumagot?
Yes, sir.
Nakakulong ka pa, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Gusto mo madagdagan?
No, sir.
O, sumagot ka.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Hindi ba? Kaya kayo nagkakasabit-sabit dahil hindi nyo alam kung ano yung regulasyon. Hindi ba tama?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hindi ba nila sinabi sa iyo kung sino yung kanilang kwan? Subject na kanilang operation?
Ano lang, sir, yung si alias Ata lang, sir, ang sinabi sa akin.
Alias Ata.
Yes, sir.
At hindi nyo verify kung siya talaga ay nasa watch list ng PDEA at saka ng Philippine National Police?
Ang alam ko po, sir, ay nasa sa watchlist, sir, si Salcedo, sir.
Ano?
Ang alam ko po, sir, ay nasa sa watchlist si Salcedo, sir.
Si Salcedo.
Apo, sir.
Pero hindi kasama yung Jonathan.
Hindi po, sir.
Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Hindi rin sinabi sa iyo na isa sa subject nila ay si Jonathan.
No, sir. Cohorts lang,
So,
sir.
in other words, isa lang tao, si Salcedo lang,
Yes, sir.
ang ipinaalam sa iyo.
And cohort, sir, ang nakalagay po, sir.
And
Cohort, sir.
verbally yun.
Verbally, sir, at saka ano, sir, yung sa kanilang PDEA coordination, sir.
Hindi. Sa kanilang PDEA. May I know, Mr. Chair, if we have a copy of their coordination with PDEA?
We asked for the copies of the operation on the first. Di ba may una eh? Di ba? Yung pre-planned. Where, ano yan, verbal din ba yun? O meron siyang pre-planned operation? Yung unang-una, yung kay Salcedo.
Ayun, sir, yung ano, sir. Yun, sir, ang may coordination, sir, sa PDEA.
Yun na may coordination,
Yes, sir.
yung una, yung kay Salcedo.
Opo, sir.
But what I'm asking right now, kasi kanina I was about to interject eh. Kasi ang tinatanong ni Chairman Acop kung kung verbal nga lang yung pangalawa. Pero yung una, may ano na yun, may pre-planned operation that was submitted sa'yo.
Wala po, sir.
Wala rin. So parehong wala talaga.
Sir, yung kay Salcedo, sir, ang meron. Yung kay...
O yun ang tinatanong natin. Kung
Yes,
meron
sir.
yung una,
Yes, sir. Yun, sir, yung
nasaan yung pre-planned operation doon?
Wala lang po, sir, akong copy, sir. Pero meron po, sir. Nakita ko na po, sir, yung ano. Hawakan ko na, sir, yung
So
documents.
meron ka
dati.
doon sa pre-planned operation, doon sa kay Salcedo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, o submit to us that kaso nakakulong pa to, Mr.
Wala lang po, sir, akong hawak, sir, ngayon, sir.
Sige. Okay, ha? Kaya nga, so please submit to us kung may hawak ka nun, yung pre-planned operation. Have you submitted that? Hindi mo na, tanungin ko muna si Captain Herrera. Have you submitted a pre-planned operation to Colonel Reyes?
Yes, sir. Including po yung PDEA coordination at IR po.
Yes, nag-submit ka sa pre-planned. Pero yung sa second, wala.
Yung second po yun, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yung second po, Your Honor.
Hindi, alin ka na nag-submit ng pre-planned operation for by bust? Yung
Yes,
una,
kay Salcedo po.
yung kay Salcedo.
Yes
Yung
po.
pangalawa kay Jonathan, wala.
Wala po.
Ayun. So, maklaro na. Congressman Acop.
Tama. So, klaro na walang official operations para kay Jonathan. Kay Salcedo lang, according to your knowledge, Chief.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, may I ask the team leader, Captain Herrera, are you aware ng manual na pinag-usapan natin, Manual on Anti-Illegal Drug Operations Investigation? Alam mo ba yon?
Your Honor,
Alam mo ba?
hindi po masyado, Your Honor.
Hindi po masyado. Anong alam mo dun? Ilang phases ba yung by bus operation? Sige nga, kung alam mo.
Hindi ko na po ma-recall, Your
Oh,
Honor.
hindi, wala kang alam. Kasi dapat yun ang dapat mong unang malaman. Di ba? Yun ang dapat mong unang malaman. Ilang phases yung operation na ganito. Di ba? So, wala kang alam doon. Kaya kayo nagkakasabit-sabit. Tama? Now, in other words, kung hindi mo alam, yung merong mga dapat gawin prior to by-bus operation, that is the first phase. Meron ba kayong ginawang surveillance report against Mr. Jonathan? Requirement yun.
Kay Jonathan Torres po ay, Sir, Your Honor, wala po.
Wala. Hindi nyo rin verify kung yung pangalan ni ni Jonathan ay kasama sa watch list.
Please answer, Captain Herrera.
Your Honor, after po nung bypass namin kay Christian Salcedo, later on, na-found out po namin na nasa barangay drug watch list po si Jonathan Torres po.
Kaya nga, pero doon sa pagplaplano ninyo, hindi kasama si Jonathan. Hindi nyo nga sinabi sa hepe ninyo eh. Oh. Diba? Hindi kasali sa una nyong plenano si Jonathan. Tama ba o mali?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Hindi po namin kasama.
Hindi kasama. So in other words, kung hindi siya kasama, lahat ng requirement ng manual, hindi nyo na nasunod. Dahil antimano, hindi nyo alam o hindi nyo isinama talaga sa una nyong plano si Jonathan. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes. So in other words, nagdesisyon lang kayo pagkatapos kay Salcedo na pupuntahan nyo yung bahay ni Jonathan. Yun ang nakapagtataga. Bakit nyo inuna si Jonathan samantalang hindi siya kasama sa operation ninyo? Matanong ko nga. Ang operation ninyo ay laban kay Salcedo. Pero bakit nyo pinuntahan si Jonathan? Hindi naman siya kasama o subject ng operations ninyo. Pakipaliwanag po dito sa committee yon.
Same manifestation, Your Honor. I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Paano ma-incriminate yung kwam mo? Yung sarili ninyo? Tinatanong ko tungkol sa operations ninyo. Hindi ba aspeto ito ng operations? Di ba? Inamin nga ninyo na pinuntahan nyo si Jonathan eh. Ngayon, ang tinatanong ko lang, ano ang dahilan bakit pinasok ninyo o pinuntahan nyo si Jonathan, hindi naman siya subject ng inyong operations? Ano ang dahilan?
Your Honor, same manifestation po. I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Pagbibigyan ko ng tsansa, yung 8 na kasama. Ano ang masasabi ninyo? Wala kayong rason? Just like your boss?
I invoke myself against self-incrimination.
Sige,
Your
isa-isa
Honor.
para malaman ko. Binigyan ko na kayo ng tsansa. Wala nang sisiyan to.
I invoke my rights against
Ano?
self-incrimination po. I invoke my rights po against self-incrimination.
Please speak louder, Lapit niyo sa mic.
Ang tapang nyo dun sa tao, pero pag nandito kayo, hindi kayo makapagsalita eh.
Next. Sige, sunod-sunod na.
Same manifestation, Your Honor.
Ha?
Same manifestation, Your Honor.
Same manifestation. Next.
Same manifestation po, Your Honor.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Hindi, antayin natin para at least sure tayo na sinagot nila na
Same
one for
manifestation
all,
po,
all
Your
for
Honor.
one sila. Sige, go ahead.
Same manifestation po, Your Honor.
Same manifestation po, Your Honor.
Same manifestation po, Your Honor. Same manifestation po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, ako, napanood ko na to.
Yeah, naulit na eh.
Naulit na naman to.
Oh, pero yung...
But before may papasok lang ako kapraso. Kapraso lang to. Were you aware, Captain Herrera and the rest of the gang, kung tung si Reynalyn...
Point of order, Mr. Chair. Let's
Yes.
not refer to them as gang. There's
Hindi, grupo lang.
The group, the
I
group,
mean,
the group.
and the rest of the group, I'm sorry. Si Reynalyn Rian Sales You all know that 2 days prior to your operation, she was here. She was crying, di ba? Because of the effect of the what happened during the election ng barangay. Alam niyo ba na nandito siya during that time? Alam niyo ba na nagte-testify siya sa committee to? Captain Herrera?
No, Your Honor. I do not personally know the
So, lahat kayo, ganun ang sagot. Hindi nyo alam that you are interfering, nag-i-interfere kayo sa conduct of this committee because she was our witness and she was testifying during that time. And because of that interruption that you have done, yung tao natakot, di ba? Ayaw nang pumunta dito. But luckily, andito pa rin siya up to now and laying her life for this. So, Congressman Ako, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Binigyan na natin ng pagkakataon. RD, Region 4A, Philippine National Police. What is the status of their administrative case?
The status of the admin case was last June 4, Your Honor, there was already a pre-charge investigation report against Police Captain Aaron Herrera et al. For grave misconduct, that is for violation of domicile, less grave misconduct for grave threat, simple misconduct for unjust vexation, and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Meron na pong formal charges ang mga ito, and ang pinaka-latest po is there will be a pre-hearing conference scheduled on June 13 to be conducted by yes, Your Honor.
There's already a designated hearing officer.
The PS of Quezon PPO is here to answer that question, Your Honor.
May I know if there's already a designated hearing officer insofar as their cases are concerned?
Magandang hapon po, Your Honor. Meron na pong designated na summary hearing officer yung administrative case po ni Captain Herrera and 8 others in the person of Police Captain Eupemia, sir.
May I know how long would it take for the hearing officer to finish or terminate his investigation?
Your Honor, I am not in the position to answer the question, Your Honor.
What does your manual say?
Within 60 days, sir.
Within 60 days, this committee expects that there shall be a decision by the summary hearing officer. Tama?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Hindi ko na pupilitin yan, pero matitigas ang ulo ng mga ito eh.
Opo, Your Honor.
I do not see any reason why they should be lying to this committee. Yun ang punto ko. At kitang-kita naman ninyo na aminado sila na hindi kasama sa operation nila yung ginawa nila. And they cannot provide this committee a legal reason why ginawa nila yon. So, RD, Recon 4A, will you please see to it that the deadline for the termination of their administrative cases be followed and submit a report to this committee, the result of your investigation, summary hearing investigation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi alam ko meron na silang warrant of arrest dahil nag-bail na sila eh. But we would like to see that they be dismissed from the service.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, and we will see to it, no? I think very klaro naman yung sitwasyon. As we always saying in this committee, no? We are not against the whole of organization, the whole of structure. I hope, RD, alam ko na medyo nasasaktan ka na rin sa mga sitwasyon natin to, but we need to eradicate mga bad eggs sa organisasyon eh. Ito nakakasira sa kapulisan eh. And we are dead serious on trying to do our job as well. And hope that you'll be strong, no? To fight with us with this endeavor that we are into right now.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman.
Just a few more clarificatory questions. In the last hearing, Colonel Reyes, sinabi mo na nakausap mo si Captain Herrera tungkol sa operation, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mga anong oras mo siya nakausap?
Yung mga
Ilang beses kayo nag-usap?
5:13 po, Your Honor.
5:30,
13, sir. 1:3.
5:13
Apo.
a.m.
Yes, sir.
Kaso lang, sinabi mo rin kanina that prior to their operations, nagpaalam sila sa'yo.
Yes, sir. Nung gabi, sir. Tapos nakita ko, sir, yung...
Mga anong oras sila nagpaalam sa'yo?
Hindi ko na po, sir, matandaan yung oras, sir.
Hindi, mga more or less. Para lang may sequencing of events tayo. Kasi dapat makita natin dito kung ano yung mga nangyari. Kasi sabi mo, may nakita kang dokumento
Yes, sir.
na may coordination sila sa PDEA.
Mga...
And they said they asked for your permission verbally.
Yes, sir.
So what time did you verbally, quote-unquote, allow them?
Mga gabi na po, sir, yun. Hindi ko lang matandaan, sir, kung anong eksaktong oras, sir.
Tapos, nung nakausap mo si Captain Herrera ng 5:30, ano ang pinag-usapan ninyo?
5:13, sir. Kasi, sir, nung tumawag...
5:30, no?
Yes, sir. Tumawag nga po, sir, sa akin na sila nga, sir, yung ay may operation sila, sir, sa Ransohan, sir. Tapos, tinanong ko nga, sir, kung sila ba yung pumasok kay Ma'am Renalyn, sir. So, sabi nila, sir, ay hindi. Kaya po, sir, ako...
Anong sagot nila nung tinanong mo?
Hindi po, sir. Kaya, sir, ako ay dali-dali, sir, na nagpunta.
Ang sagot nila, hindi.
Yes, sir. Hindi daw po, sir.
Hindi sila ang pumasok sa bahay ni Renalyn.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kaya nga po, sir, ako ay dali-daling pumunta kay Ma'am Renalyn, sir. Kasama ko yung SWAT.
So kung hindi sila pumasok sa bahay ni Ma'am Renalyn, sino ang nag-identify sa kanila?
Yun na, sir, yung sinasabi ko nga po, sir, nais kong ipaliwanag na nung 8 o'clock, sir, ng umaga na naghahanap na, sir, kami ng probable cause kung sino talaga, sir, yung pumasok, kung sila ba talaga o hindi. Nakakuha na, sir, kami ng CCTV footage, sir.
So doon yun na na-identify sila?
Yes, sir. Tsaka
So-
yung sinabi rin, sir, ni Ma'am Renalyn, sir, nung
So when
nagkakaroon
in
kami
fact-
ng investigation.
So ang sinasabi mo ngayon, 5:30 ng umaga, hindi sila.
Yes, sir.
But when you verified, it was them.
Yes, sir.
So, na-confirm mo to.
Yes, sir. Yun yung nakita namin, sir, sa CCTV, sir.
So, going back, Captain Herrera, so ito sinabi ng former Chief of Police na identified pala na kayo. So, ulitin ko lang yung tanong. So, you were in Ransohan at 3 a.m.
Captain Herrera, please reply.
3:15, Your Honor. 3:15.
So, ngayon nandun ka na.
Not 3. Not 3, Your Honor.
You were there.
Alam mo, kanina, ingat ka naman pa, Captain Herrera, nag-iiba-iba ka na ng ligwahe, ha? Kanina sabi mo, wala ka pa alas 3. Nandun ngayon sinasabi mo, 3:15, ha? Kanina sinabi mo, wala. Nung tinatanong ka ni Congressman Paduano, wala ka pa, sabi mo, ng alas 3. Ngayon sinabi mo, 3:15, andun ka na. Captain Herrera, reminding you, ay nako. Okay, Congressman.
Yeah, I mean, kasi kanina, kaya mahalaga na makuha natin yung chronological event. So you were there, 3:15. Sinabi nyo kanina, nag-pre-ops preparations kayo, di ba? Tapos tinanong pa kayo kung bakit doon kayo nag-pre-ops preparation sa Ransohan of all places, but hindi kayo nag-pre-ops preparation sa stasyon. So anong ginagawa nyo doon ng ganong oras?
Your Honor, preparing for a bypass operation, Your Honor.
Against whom?
Against Christian Salcedo, Your Honor.
Eh bakit yung bahay ni Renalyn yung pinasok ninyo?
Same manifestation, Your Honor. I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
Nung pumunta kayo sa Ransohan, did you conform with the requirements of the PNP that dapat meron kayong body cam, dapat meron kayong mga gadgets to record your bypass operation?
Your Honor, meron po. May body cam po.
Nasan yung where is this body cam?
Nasa pangangalaga po ng custodian po, Your Honor.
So, yung pagpasok nyo ng alas 3, 3:15, suot-suot nyo yung body cam.
Hindi pa po, Your Honor, kasi nagpe-prepare pa lang kami.
Hindi. So hindi nyo suot. Gamit ninyo o hindi? Nung pumasok kayo sa bahay ng 315.
Same manifestation po, Your Honor. I invoke my rights against self-incrimination.
So hindi nyo... doon sa ibang team members kayo. Nandun din kayo, di ba? Same manifestation din sa lahat? Mr. Chair, can we ask for a 5-minute suspension?
For what? What's the purpose? We're going to lead them to the another room?
Yeah, maybe. I think it's time. Actually, Mr. Chair, I would like to reform my motion, instead call for an executive session, and maybe ask committee members with selected resource persons can talk.
The
Baka
three persons that I mentioned.
Yes.
Okay, there's a motion to for a 5-minute suspension, and inviting there's a second motion by Congressman Acop, and inviting those three PNP officers that I mentioned a while ago. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is now approved. Okay, 5-minute suspension. So we'll be inviting the three personalities. Go to the other room, please. Hearing resume. So the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of our members of this committee via Zoom. Sandro Gonzales, the Deputy Majority Leader of Marino Party List. Deputy Majority Leader Janet Garin of the 1st District of Iloilo. Julian Jam Baronda of the Lone District of Iloilo City. Deputy Majority Leader Marilyn Agabas. Congressman Alfred C. De Los Santos of Provinciano Party List. Deputy Majority Floor Leader Tingog Party List Jude Asidre, Congresswoman Isabel Maria Zamora, Vice Chair of the Public Order and Safety, Lone District of San Juan City, Congressman Joboy Aquino of 1st District of Agusan del Norte, and presence on the committee, Congressman Ramon Rodigo Gutierrez of the One Rider Party List. Thank you so much for all the members who have answered the call of this committee for additional members to be present today. So, members, so we have heard some testimony of the resource speakers a while ago. So, would you like to ask some query, Congressman
Mr.
Paduano?
Chairman,
Please, go ahead.
My motion a while ago with regards to contempt to Captain Herrera, and it was also questioned by, clarified by Congressman Acop, if all those eight PNP personnel will join the position of Captain Herrera. So, Mr. Chairman, just to clear it out, I just want to ask once again, except for yung kalbo. Reyes, no? Except for Reyes. Reyes, hindi ka na kailangan mong sumagot. Gusto ko lang tanungin yung 8, and that includes Captain Herrera. Do you still stand with your position that you will not answer the query of this committee? Captain Herrera?
Yes po, Your Honor.
The next.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, sige, answer first.
Yes,
Go
Your
ahead.
Honor. Ano ba yung sinasabing binebenta?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes po, Your Honor. Yes po, Your Honor.
Ang opisina ni
So, Chairman, all the 8 members of the Philippine National Police, which is subject of this investigation, still stands with their position. Now, Mr. Chairman, again, I move to cite in contempt those 8 PNP personnel, except for Reyes, and in violation of paragraph C, our provision of contempt.
Okay.
Refusal to answer relevant question in this committee, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to cite in contempt the 8 PNP officials who have been involved on this operation, illegal operation, and this is duly seconded. Who's the any seconded motion?
Second motion.
Duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. The COMSEC and the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to bring along all those 8 personalities in the custody of this Congress.
Second motion, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, I know. So, Congressman Paduano, the penalty and also where to put those 8 personalities.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, my second motion is to order the Sergeant to detain, no, in the premises of House premises, the 8 cited in contempt PNP officers for 30 days, Mr. Chairman, in violation of paragraph C of our rules. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, 30
Yes, what
days.
is that the motion?
Yes, that's my second motion,
The
Mr.
second
Chairman.
motion is the, how many days is the...
30 days, Mr. Chairman. whether the
So there's a
party can-
motion that the penalty for these 8 PNP officers be meted out with a 30-day suspension, 30 days detention. Any second the motion? Duly
Second.
seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.